Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video we're going to talk about how you can connect your PlayStation Fortnite account to your Nintendo Switch. Now this is pretty confusing. A lot of people have confusions and they want to use the same features that they get or the same progress that they have on their PlayStation account on your Nintendo Switch. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. Super duper simple. So let's jump right into it. First, you're going to need a PC and you're going to open up store.epicgames.com. Now, then you're going to sign in and you're going to click on your profile on the top right and you're going to click on account. Once you click on account, your account settings will open up. Now, in your account settings, what we need to do is we need to locate the apps and accounts option, which is on the left hand side right here. I'm just going to click on the apps and accounts section. Now, if you're signed in with your PlayStation network, this is going to show something like this, remove, because you're going to be signed in, and all you really need to do is click on connect right here. This will basically pop up a window where you can sign into your Nintendo account, and that's how your Nintendo account will be associated with your PlayStation account, and then you can continue to play the same progress on both devices. And that's how you can essentially sign in to your Fortnite account that you've been playing on your PlayStation with the Nintendo Switch. Thank you for watching everybody. I hope this video was helpful.